Hey guys, sorry about that. Had to get the door open. Today we're going pretty much almost the same places on Vinyl Haven. If you watched my last videos of November of 2020, then you'll know what the deal is. But boy, oh boy, it's windy out here, and I'm gonna put that in the title for you guys. It's gonna be called Windy Day on Vinyl Haven, Maine. Oh man, it's windy out here, guys. Oh, guys, comment below. Comment below. Where it's windy. Comment below if it's windy where you guys live. I'm just visiting Vinyl Haven, Maine. Mom, you're in the video.
You have to move the front seat back. Why am I going with these?
Now what, Mom? What'd you say?
The front seat on your side, you're gonna move it back so you can get in, probably.
Okay. Sorry, guys, that was me talking to Mom on video.
You're gonna move it back from underneath.
Back from underneath?
Yes, and you know the thing under there.
Yeah.
Hurry up, it's cold.
I'm trying, but I can't. Don't worry about it.
Now you're gonna fix this.
Don't worry. Sorry about that. I'm having a bad morning, guys.
Oh.
Hey, Mom, you ready to go? So, guys, we got places to go on Vinyl Haven. It's pretty much going to be the same thing, you guys. If you watched my last videos, you're probably going to be thinking, why is he going, why is Lucas going to the same places on Vinyl Haven? It's because, guys, I'm visiting this place twice. You tell them, Mom.
Yep.
Tell them where we're going.
We are going to the post office. Fisherman friend. What's it?
We don't have that many places to go, guys. But that's not going to be in the title, guys. I'm not going to put that in the title. I'll be putting Windy Day on Vinyl Haven. Here's the outside, guys. Not sure if I was pointing that the right way. But that's what the outside looks like. But boy, oh boy, it is freezing over here at Vinyl Haven, guys.
Oh, yeah. I got another post office in here.
Yep, Mama.
On the front, and then we gotta go back to the grocery store.
Yep. As you can see, guys, not sure if you can see, but the boat is not here. And it's a little foggy out. Oh, come on, guys. Okay, that's the mail key, and it's 153, right?
Yeah.
Hold on, guys.
Yeah, the package 275.
Oh, I had no mail.
Takes so long.
Why did it take so long? It's because I sort of misplaced find at 153, so I asked that guy in there for help, and he helped me find it. That was not on video. My glasses were blurry. Where is the seatbelt? Oh, no wonder I could not find it. My glasses are fogged. My glasses are fogged up. God dang it, there goes my glasses. Yes, Mama. Man, oh man, guys, it's windy. Would you look at that, guys? Hold on, let me see if I can get that all on video. Can you guys hear that wind? You could probably hear it. It's like inhaling out there. Like, would you guys look at that? Look at that, guys. Wow. Oh, wow. It's so windy out. Oh, wow. So windy. Well, anyway, guys, that is it for me. Showing you guys how windy it was on Vinalhaven today by your very own All About Frosty the Snowman YouTuber. Hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Peace. And one more thing before I go, guys. If you guys notice that guy on video, that's not what I meant for him to do. I don't know. But anyways, peace out.